Hey guys, it's Lauren and Jeanette, and the rest of the crew is out here. We are out at the pig pen, and we are fixing that issue permanently that the pigs made. My wood stake wouldn't stay in the ground. It's a little hard, and so they kept knocking it over and almost killing themselves trying to go through that loose fence. So the guys decided that they would come out here, and for the first time we are going to use these metal tie straps that Phyllis and Mark sent us from Texas. Eric and Denise are trying to figure out the gun, and we are going to hook some of the fence back up with these straps. So let's see what they're doing over here.
I wonder if this thing goes
Like that.
in there.
Well, this is a cutter of some sort.
Yeah, this looks.
Do you want me to get a video up and watch it?
It'd be a smart thing to do.
Trying to figure out this gun.
There it goes.
Let's see real quick. Goes like that.
How do you stick that gun?
Well, and that tightens it. So
Well, you would walk up there and loop that around, I think.
yeah, and then run it through it.
Okay.
Well, you want it right now. Just try you one.
We're just
Hold
gonna
that for a second.
test one out and see.
Nope, it don't go like that, Johnny.
It don't.
I don't think
I
so.
would think so, Dad.
Huh?
I don't think it goes like that.
That's the way I think it goes.
Wow.
How do you clamp it on there?
You got it upside down. It would be on the outside. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure.
Yeah, maybe.
I think it goes like this. On the outside. See?
On the outside. Let's see.
It won't come out now.
Yeah. All right, so let's see it. We'll have to cut that one off. If it is, this has got to.
Both of them will be cut off. Can't get it out now.
Yeah, and so that would go like that, and then pull it through. All right, we'll give it. So you say.
Don't put it in there.
You say that way.
Nope. This one.
Chase just manually did it right there.
We can try to do the gun, but you know, I just figured to tighten it,
y'all video.
tighten it down.
Uh-huh.
So like this.
What's the gun look like?
Put it on down there taller than that.
Yeah.
Careful to cut your finger, Johnny.
Yeah. That's why I grabbed this right here.
Yeah. Yeah. There's 3 babies in there. They're hollering because they won't mom.
Who's in there?
Okay, here it goes. Japanese.
You know how to bring this over here and show it to us.
Okay, you put it around the thing and tie. Okay, put it on there, and then you put the piece in the. Okay, I see. I think they figured it out, sister.
And then you just snip it like this, right?
Oh, that's awesome. Way to go, guys. Figure it out.
Yeah.
Look at y'all.
Let me see your gun real quick.
So you have to put
Way
it
to
out
go,
Jace.
First, and then
pull it.
we just had to make sure we were loading it right.
Let me just stick the thing in there and let me snip it off. Stick it in that one. Just run it down.
Oh, still. Have you been in the parade?
6 times 7 millimeters.
How strong you think?
Hey, babe.
Those things? Not very. I mean, if you put like hog weight pressure on them, but I think they'll hold pretty good. They won't rot. Johnny, you need some help.
Just trying to push it far enough in.
Get the gun on it. It's a neat little gadget, isn't it?
Just push
Just
it
throw
up to
'em
the
on there.
nose and it should start. Just keep it up to the nose, all the way up. And now push, and it'll push it. Yeah, tighten it up. There you go. Keep going till
I
you get a
wouldn't tighten
good.
it super tight, because I would think it would be easier to break super tight.
There you go.
Yeah. Hey, bud.
What's the name of this thing? Where's the
Let me get another one.
stainless steel cable tie tension tool? Yep. Show me, Nancy. Steel tie fasten tools. Tension tool. Precise steel tie fastener plier thing jigger. It works good, doesn't it?
All right, y'all. We just finished up putting the cable ties down here on the corner where Dad's at. This little gun is Jim Dandy. You just slide that steel cable in right here, and there's
After you've looped it, right?
yeah, you loop it around, kind of like this is a plastic one, but you loop it and you put it through its the head of the zip tie, and then you just put the
tail.
steel cable right here. We're gonna get one and show y'all just so y'all know how it's done, and we'll demonstrate it. But this thing is very nice, and the steel cables seem very strong.
Jace, come here, we'll show them how to do one.
All right, put it up at the top.
So, Stumpy,
All right, so you just loop the steel cable, and you want to make sure that the head is facing like when the cable comes through, it's on the outside, so you can grab it with the pliers.
right?
Okay, so you just gotta pull it
down.
just a little bit, and then to tighten it, you're just gonna stick this thing right in here. I got it, Dad. All right, you're just gonna.
It's that thing at the bottom that's holding y'all.
You just see, and it's got a thing, but then when you just push it up to the metal.
Oh,
you just squeeze your pliers and it just tightens it, and then once it's tight enough, you got a lever here. Mom, show them right in here. It just cuts it, and the cable's cut, and it's tight on there now, and it's stainless steel.
And they won't dry rot.
They won't rust because it's stainless steel
Well,
Or
the
dry rot,
or dry rot.
because it ain't plastic.
that's
Because it
right.
ain't plastic. But as you can see, we have these hog panels in some of the pens and these cow panels on the other. Our plan is to replace all these cow panels with
Hog
these
panels.
with these hog panels. So one, it's easier to get in there, and two, we want to do wood posts instead of T-posts, so we can put gates in between each pen, and so we can have
We can put all these
access
on the raised beds.
access into the pens. But we got plans for these hog panels. We're
Cow
going to use or cow panels that we take out of here. We're going to use them for trellising systems to grow cucumbers on and stuff,
Snap beans.
snap beans and different
Running
things.
butter beans.
So we're going to put these back to use.
Somewhere.
Anyway,
But this gun is awesome.
we do appreciate it, Phyllis and Mark.
We really do appreciate it, Phyllis and
Thank you,
Mark.
Phyllis and Mark.
Y'all are
Mark
awesome.
and Phyllis.
Thank y'all. Y'all are awesome. This is going to come to good use.
Absolutely.
But y'all,
We
thank y'all
appreciate it.
for hanging out with us. Just this short little clip on Sunday, just out here taking care of our animals and just making sure everything's right with them. But y'all stay tuned and join us again, and like and subscribe, and just remember, a simple life is a much more enjoyable life. Thank y'all.